on maintaining your credit score during the COVID crisis. I'm going to start by saying, don't be afraid, be aware. Know that keeping your score at a decent level is something everyone can obtain. Firstly, pay all your bills on time if possible. Try and make your minimum payments monthly to avoid hurting your credit score. If you can't make those payments, contact your lender right away. Many institutions are putting policies in place to help customers who may need extra time to pay their bills. Next, check your credit score regularly, especially now. Making sure your credit report is accurate is really critical. Dispute any discrepancies immediately, as incorrect information can still damage your score. Also, be extra vigilant about protecting your identity. Identity theft and those types of scams often spike during times of crisis, so it's really important to protect your personal information. If you fear identity theft may occur, you can also put a freeze on your credit file. This prevents people from accessing your personal information and applying for credit in your name. Lastly, if you're in a tough spot and find yourself accumulating debt, don't beat yourself up about it right now. It's okay to carry a little bit of debt for a while if you have limited other options, but take these actions now to keep your score safe for the future. And remember, you're not alone. My name is Cora and I'm with Citylite Realty, and I just want you to know that I'm here for everyone in our community. If you have any questions at all about your home, about selling your home, about the community we live in, or even about an income property, especially about how the situation is affecting everything and everyone, ask me a question and I promise I'll get back to everybody. And remember, I'm here for you. And as always, please stay safe.